Yes, so as you guys can tell from the title and as you can see from my foot, I got hit by a car. And your boy will be out meaning off his bike for 6 weeks. Kill me now. I was trying to leave a spot and I'm gonna paint the picture for you guys. I'm here, parking is this way, I'm in my spot, ready to come out into the street, and there's a Con Edison van that's right here. So I'm right here, and it's a 2-lane highway. I mean 2-lane street. So 2 lanes going in this direction, 2 lanes going in that direction, separated by a partition. So where I am, I'm against one side of the street. On the parking side, there's 1 lane blocked by the Con Edison van, and then there's 1 free lane. So me, and this is where I realized I made my mistake. I should have used the block that the Con Edison van had and turned into the first lane and went where I was going. My thing was like, I need to get over to the other lane, so I was gonna make a U-turn. So I was going, my thought was, let me get into the second lane so that make that U-turn easier, you know. I did what I could with what I had. Like with the Con Edison van being there and another car being right here, it was kind of hard to see in between them. But you know, I did what I could. I was looking, trying to see, and the cars passed by. So I'm like, okay, good to go. Drive a little forward, look to my left, and the black Toyota Highlander comes in this. And it sucks because I literally made sure I could see what was going on. Like I made sure I could see the cars passing. So I don't know how I missed this truck. Like it's not a small Fiat or something like that. It's a Toyota Highlander. So it's pretty sizable. But I got hit. Just before getting hit, I remember looking and just seeing it coming, and even the guy must have been like, oh fuck, because he tried to hit his brake, he heard his screech, and thankfully that took place, because I feel like if he hadn't hit his brake, if he hadn't seen me, if he had been distracted, I don't think I would have died, but I would definitely been more than just my ankle being fractured. Like, think about it. If him hitting me with his brakes just messed up my ankle, imagine him going at his 25 miles per hour speed limit with no type of stop, and me just sitting there like T-bone. I would have been, ugh. So I thank God for what I walked away with, you know. I thank God for the fact that I walked away. My bike is okay, and that is what I want to talk about, a little bit of that, the positive and negatives of me being hit. The positives of what I see is that there will be new parts added to the bike, which is great. Progressive, my insurance kicks in, and you know, they always take care of what needs to be done with my bike. They never are lazy about that, which I'm very happy about. So my bike will be taken care of. It does start, it's just, you know, messed up, and it's giving me an opportunity to look at life and kind of just take things slow, you know. See, it's a lot. I can't even accurately give you guys my thought process, but it's a lot that's going on in and out of my head day to day. Like, I can't go anywhere, you know. Not that I can't go anywhere, but I'm not able to move how I want to move. I'm not able to move on my own. I have this freaking crusty splint on, and I'm slave to the splint. Like, I literally feel like it's a hold on me. I literally feel like I want to break out of it, but I can't, which is a lesson in itself. But I'm trying to keep my, you know, my mind creative. I'm trying to keep my spirits held up. It took me such a long time to do this video because I just wasn't feeling it, and I realized I have to get myself out of that, and here we are. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. What sucks about the situation is that I don't have any personal insurance. One, I couldn't afford it, so I was getting free insurance, but then when that one ran out, they told me, hey, you gotta renew it. So I'm like, all right, cool. They said they need a tax document. So I go and hit up the guy who did my taxes, and no response. The renewal date for the insurance runs out. I have no insurance. And then bam, this happens. I don't put no blame on him because, like, I like to take care of my own stuff, my own responsibilities, you know. But this is a sign to me that I should have looked harder. Excuse me. It's a sign that I should have looked harder. I should know more about insurance, and I realize the importance of it now. Even though I can't afford it, I should find some way to afford it, because this, whatever is coming from this hospital bill, is gonna slap me around a little bit, you know? And that's the other thing that sucks about it. No one's gonna be held at fault. Like, he can't be held at fault because he tried. And I told him he tried. Like, for me hearing the brakes, he tried to do what he could have done. He tried to slow down, but there's only so much space you could do, and you know. I'm self-employed. I haven't been able to work since that Monday. I had to give over my clients to other friends to take care of them, so I'm not making any money right now. I don't have employees, so I'm not making any money, which sucks. Thankfully, thank God, like, my parents are here and they're able to, you know, help me out. Because if they weren't, I don't know what I'd be doing right now. Like, not only being messed up, but then not having any money to get any food or anything. Like, I don't know, man. It's really, really, really scary to think about. But I thank God and I thank my parents for being who they are to be able to help me out. When I posted this on Instagram, someone posted a comment saying, I knew this was gonna happen, something, and it kind of like really, you kind of just like, really, bro? But I guess I understand it. Like, the way I ride is very flashy, it's very fast, it's very aggressive, it's very in and out, and that's my style. And I was thinking, like, once I get back on my bike, will I be the same person? I mean, will I, you know, ride straight? Will I change my riding style? I don't think so. Being completely 100 honest with you guys and myself, I don't think I will change my riding style. I mean, I'm gonna be so much more alert, but to change it, no. I feel like motorcycles are meant to be ridden. Motorcycles are meant to do stuff that cars can't do. And if I'm just sitting there in a straight line driving 5 miles per hour below the speed limit, I might as well get a car. But I will be more aware. I will be more alert. I probably won't be as willing to ride as crazy as I do, because now I see what big effects these small things have. Like, just getting hit and messing up my ankle has such a long lasting effect, 6-week effect, and it's like, geez. So yep, I just wanted to update you guys about what's going on. I posted about it on my I posted about it on my Instagram, but I want to let you guys know, I want to take the time to make a video to let y'all know what's going on with me and my situation, you know, why there hasn't been any videos, and you know, I'm trying, guys. That's all I can do. I don't have all this figured out. I'm not even gonna act like I have all this figured out. Your boy's trying. But I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you subscribing. I appreciate you liking. You know, it feels like it gives me another thing to focus on, another thing to be creative, another way to express myself, another way to connect. So I thank you guys, and you know, you can like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, like, unlike, unsubscribe, I don't know. You know, you're free on this page, you're free to do whatever you want to do. But my hope is that you would subscribe, that you would like, and that, you know, would be down for this journey. So yeah, till next time, you guys stay safe, be vigilant, be aware, live your life, love, have fun, and I'll talk to y'all soon.